Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apache Hadoop HDFS blocks using NameNode health checks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Apache Hadoop HDFS blocks using NameNode health checks, start by accessing your Hadoop cluster. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform health checks. Open a command line interface on your system. Use the command HDFS admin report to get an overview of the HDFS status. This command will provide details about the cluster's health and storage usage. Look for the section that lists the live and dead data nodes. Pay attention to the blocks section in the report. This section shows the total number of blocks and any replication issues. Next, access the NameNode web interface for a more visual representation. Open a web browser and navigate to http://NameNode IP50070. Replace NameNode IP with the appropriate NameNode IP address. Once on the NameNode dashboard, locate the health report. Check for any warnings or errors related to block storage. Investigate the data node section to see the status of each node. Identify if there are any under-replicated or over-replicated blocks. To further verify blocks, use the command hdfs-fsck/. This command performs a file system check. The output will display the status of all files and blocks in HDFS. Look for any blocks marked as corrupt or missing. If you identify corrupt blocks, you can take action to repair them. You may need to re-replicate the affected files. To do this, use the command hdfs-dfs setrep replication factor /path/ to /file. Replace replication factor with the desired replication number. This command will force HDFS to replicate the blocks and restore their health. After making these changes, run the HDFS admin report command again. Verify that the health report reflects the changes. Continue monitoring the HDFS blocks regularly. Regular checks will help maintain the integrity of your data stored in HDFS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.